Hi guys, today I've got another review video for you, and as you can see the items I've got have come from Beauty Big Bang. There'll be a 10% off code down below. You can feel free to use on their website if you do want to buy anything. So the items that I picked this time, I have 2 polishes, a cuticle oil and these stickers. So the stickers I just thought were really unusual. You can see that they come in black and white, like a wave pattern. And there's instructions on the back as to how you apply them as well. For polishes, I thought I would try out one of their stamping polishes. My other black is getting a bit low, so this is just number 2, their black stamping polish. I also wanted to try out one of their holographics. You can see here it looks really nice in the bottle, so I'm looking forward to trying that one out. And this one is number 8. The last item is a cuticle oil, so it just comes in this polish size bottle and has just like your normal applicator. So I'm going to try this out and I'll let you know how I get on with this and all the other items, so stay tuned for those videos coming soon.